Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the internal thermometer probe on your Woodwind Pro pellet grill. Before we get started, make sure to unplug your pellet grill so that everything has had time to cool down. And with that in mind, let's get into it. Start by opening your lid and taking out the racks on the inside. You can also drop your grease tray down below the lip here so that you can access these two screws a little easier. So an easy way to get to these screws is to remove the two exterior screws for the rack mounts. With your rack mounts taken out, you can now grab a screwdriver or a drill and undo these top two screws. Next, undo the bottom two screws on the plate. All right, once those screws and plate are removed, you can pull the thermometer up and out and leave it about here for now. Next, we need to undo the 7 screws located on the bottom to release the plate so we can disconnect the thermometer from the controller. After you remove the plate, you can locate your thermometer connector right here. It's the smallest connector of the bunch, and then just pull to disconnect it. After it's disconnected, you can then come up top and pull the connector and probe all the way through. With your old thermometer probe taken out, you can now grab your new one and reinstall in the exact same way but in reverse order. Now you can reinstall your probe with the tower by sticking the probe up through and then lining those screw holes up. Make sure to continue to feed your wire all the way through and then reinstall. Now you can install your rack mount. Make sure to keep the thinner side facing up. This is easier to do with another person, but it is possible to do by yourself. If you stick your screw through and then the rack, and then feed the nut onto it. Now you can connect your new probe connector right back into the existing one on the controller, and take the twist tie from your probe and tighten up any slack. Now you can reinstall the bottom plate onto the hopper. I hope this video has been helpful for you in replacing the internal thermometer probe in your Woodwind Pro. If you have any additional questions, please visit campchef.com or call our customer support helpline. Thank you.